What do we do now? So bad.
Colin, during that little...
I don't know the words.
You guys have to move during the intermission. Woo! Sexy! Colin! Do the chicken dance now.
Hey, you're supposed to do the chicken dance.
Yeah, I can't look.
Can you do the chicken dance, Kels?
I don't even know.
I forgot about the chicken dance. I don't even know how to do it. I was thinking of the other thing where you go like this.
You should turn it off.
What's the sprinkler?
Oh,